Sometimes social media looks busy but isn't actually driving results, this video is for you. Because one of the biggest shifts brands need to make in 2026 is moving from posting for output to posting for outcomes. A recent HubSpot marketing report found that brands with clearly defined content goals are significantly more likely to see measurable ROI from social media. Yet, most feeds are still built without a job assigned to each post. In 2026, growth will come from giving every piece of content a role. And there are three that actually matter. Discover content that brings in new people, trust content that proves you know what you're doing, and decision content that pushes someone to convert. Discovery content is what reaches strangers through strong hooks, contrarian takes, or on-trend adjacent ideas that stop the scroll. Trust content is where growth compounds, but most brands underinvest. Behind the scenes, process breakdowns, lessons learned, customer stories, and proof that real humans stand behind the brand. Decision content is the piece that many brands avoid, even though Meta has publicly stated people need repeated exposure and clarity before taking action. Testimonials, comparisons, FAQs, objection handling, and direct calls to action that make the step obvious. If your feed is all discovery, people watch but never buy. If it's all selling people disengage. And if it's all vibes, nothing moves forward. Brands that grow fast intentionally rotate these content lenses so audiences are constantly progressing, not just consuming. Another key shift is depth over novelty data. Data from the Content Marketing Institute shows repetition builds recall and trust far more effectively than constant new ideas, which means one strong insight should be repurposed across formats instead of buried after a single post. And finally, platforms are increasingly rewarding brands that treat comments and DMs as content, not cleanup, turning audience questions into posts, replying publicly, and letting engagement shape future content. Social media growth in 2026 isn't about being everywhere or doing everything. It's about clarity, roles, and momentum. And if you want more strategy that actually connects to results, make sure to subscribe for more. I literally can't do this without you.